Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you're new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and turn on post notification. Okay, so guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to set your alarm clock, iPhone alarm clock, iOS alarm clock. Okay, so guys, first of all, you need to go to your mobile settings, then scroll up. You will see control center. Tap on it. Then you see that they have chosen some apps to the tops and some green, like there are some apps with red minus sign and positive sign. You will see alarm here. Tap on the positive to move alarm to the red negative. Tap on alarm. So you guys, now you see it has moved. Let me move it for you, so for you to see that I move it. I tap on the minus and I remove it. Come to the positive. So guys, always make sure that you move to the negative. You see guys, then go back up to your iOS, then tap assistive touch, control center, then tap alarm. Then you can set up your alarm. Next, you can choose not to say anything. Next, skip. Done. Then you can edit your alarm and set it anytime you want to set it. You can edit it, set it anytime. So guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on post notification.